Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious classic BLT sandwiches. Now, this is one of my favorite sandwiches, minus the bacon, of course. It's just very simple. It's bacon, lettuce, tomato on white or wheat bread. That's basically it. It's a very simple sandwich. It's easy, it's affordable, and in my opinion, it's healthier. Well, if you use the turkey bacon, it might be a little healthier. But even with the bacon, it's wonderful. This is a great summertime sandwich to try. You can make about 2 to 3 sandwiches, but you can also increase it to serve about 4 to 5 sandwiches if you like. It's a classic summertime sandwich and absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your homemade BLT sandwiches. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need some Nature's Own whole grain bread. This is one of my favorite breads right here, even though I make my own bread from scratch. But you can use any other type of bread, white bread, whole wheat bread, whole grain bread, whichever one you want to use. Perfect. Okay? And along with that, you're going to need some mayonnaise. Now, I normally use Blue Plate mayonnaise since I'm from New Orleans, but you can also use the Kraft Mayo or Hellmann's. It doesn't really matter. Okay? You will also need 1 head of iceberg lettuce. You can use romaine lettuce, whatever you can find. You will also need some tomatoes. I have 2 medium-sized tomatoes, but you can only use 1 if you like. Okay? And you will also need some bacon. Now, this is my favorite bacon right here. Right will get you right. Delicious. I really, really love it. So you're going to need that. You can also use any other type of bacon of your choosing. All right. And lastly, you will need an 11 by 17 inch baking pan. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bacon and put the bacon on here and bake the bacon instead of frying it. Okay. And there we have it. All right, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started by taking our head of lettuce. I'm going to turn it on the side. And from there, we're just going to cut the stem off. Just like that. And from there, we're just going to carefully remove the lettuce leaves off of the head of the lettuce. Now, depending on how many sandwiches you're making, I'm just going to take about 4 to 5 leaves off there. From there, I'm just going to cut off a small portion of the leaves. And from there, I'm just going to cut the leaves in half. And there we go. Alright, I've placed my lettuce leaves into a strainer. Next, I'm going to rinse my lettuce leaves off really well with cold water. Once done, you're going to place this in a bowl and place it into your refrigerator. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and rinse off our tomatoes with cold water. Now you're only going to need 1 tomato for this recipe, okay? Okay, here we have our tomato. We're just going to turn it to the side. And we're going to take the knife and we're going to slice the tomato into thin slices. You can cut the tomato to whatever thickness you like. Doesn't really matter. And there we go. Our tomato is nice and sliced. As you can see, it's a nice thickness. Now once done, you're going to place this into your refrigerator. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Alright, let's get started with baking our bacon. So, in this 11 by 17 inch baking pan, you're going to line the baking pan with a sheet of parchment paper. Next, you're going to add 8 slices of bacon onto the baking pan. Now, if you want to make more sandwiches, you can increase the amount of slices onto your baking pan if you like. Alright, perfect. Now it is ready to be baked. Place this into a preheated 350 degree oven on the bottom rack. Bake this for 25 minutes. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes now for our bacon. Don't that look good? Let's go ahead and remove this out of the oven. Let this cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, let's remove the excess oil from our bacon. So here I have a serving dish lined with some napkins. Just going to take 3 strips of bacon and I'm just going to place it on top of those napkins. Next, we're going to take some napkins and we're just going to dab the napkins on top of the bacon strips. This is going to help remove any excess grease from the bacon strips. Now from there, we're going to take the bacon strips and we're going to place them onto this small serving plate. Alright y'all, let's go ahead and toast our bread. So here we have our toaster. That ain't nothing fancy, trust me. Right, so we're going to just go ahead and take 2 slices of bread and add it into the toaster. Alright, we're just going to lower the lever and we're just going to toast our bread until it's a nice golden brown. I'll say about 1 minute. Alright, that looks good. Let's go ahead and release the bread. Pop. There you go. Okay, we're going to remove the toast bread out of the toaster and we're going to place it onto a serving dish. Alright, let's go ahead and assemble our sandwiches. So we're going to first start off with the bottom slice of bread. We're just going to take that slice and we're going to lightly spread some mayonnaise onto that slice of bread. Just like that. There you go. I think I'll set that back onto the serving dish. Now you're going to take the other slice of bread. This is going to be the top portion of bread. And you're going to take and you're going to spread some mayonnaise on top of there. Now this time, you have to add a generous amount of mayonnaise on top of that. You got to make sure you add a nice, decent coating of mayonnaise on top of it. That's why it's called BLT. And that's what it looks like right there. You're going to place that back onto the serving dish. Okay, next you're going to take some lettuce and you're going to add it onto both slices of bread. Alright, next you're going to add your bacon. About 2 to 3 strips of bacon per sandwich will do. You can add however much you want according to how much bacon you have. Okay, next you're going to add your 2 slices of tomato right on top. You're going to take that top slice of bread. You're going to place it on top. Carefully press it down with your hand. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A homemade classic BLT sandwich made by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this one. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's Taste Test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go eat and take a bite. Here we go. Oh yeah. Man, this is wonderful. I mean, the bacon combining with the tomato, the lettuce, and that mayonnaise on the bread. I mean, y'all, when I tell y'all delicious, delicious. I mean, this is one of the most simple, easy, and delicious sandwiches that you can try. I mean, I could eat this every single day, literally. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.